Good morning, everyone. It is the 17th of September, Friday morning, about 6:49 a.m. Let's pick up the Astro Excel chart. We're slightly out of phase, but we are following the pattern, but price is a little bit ahead of the timing. We have come into the area here where we should bottom out. The green line has gone flat at about 8:30. It turns up. The blue line has bottomed here where I have the blue vertical line. That turns up until about 10:15, 10:30, then it goes down till about 12:30. Then both lines are in sync to travel upward for the rest of the day. The Vedic chart, we have a bullish, or not bullish, but a timing window, the bright green on the B1 panel from about 12:15 to the close today. So we've got a wide window. So we're going to narrow that down. We're going to use the beginning of that window because it's on this white A1 block here. This green area, bright green on the A1 panel, and this white timing block on the A1 panel. We're going to transpose those over to the rainbow chart, and then we're going to add the rainbow and the pH indicators to get timing for this afternoon. Alright, here's the rainbow chart, and what I've done here, I've transposed the big timing window in the big red rectangle. The two smaller timing windows I just showed you, I popped those in with the small red rectangles. The area where I pointed out the blue line was going down from about 10:30 to 12:30, I drew in here. So theoretically, we're going to be looking for a low inside the blue box, and we're going to look to make a new high in the big red rectangle here, which was the green box on the timing window. So then what I've done is I've put some blue lines in here to indicate the rainbow timing points off of those white and bright green windows. So the first time trigger is about 11:42. Then the next one is going to be about 12:30. Then we've got a right about 2 o'clock, and then we've got two timers inside the bigger of the two smaller red rectangles. Right here is 14:53 and 15:15. So we're incorporating a couple of pH turn times into that mix as well. So those are key points for the afternoon. For the morning, you can follow the regular rainbow and pH, as we don't have any window in the morning, but the blue line, green line is giving us trend indication, and we should kind of follow along with that. So there you have it. That gives you the mix for today. We will be back again over the weekend. We'll give you an Astro Excel projection for the week next week, and we'll probably take a look at our daily bar swing time turning points, see how those are doing. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow. We'll see you then.